How did Matplotlib get its start as Python's MATLAB plotting tool? Imagine needing to visualize complex brain signals and finding the tools you have just aren't enough. That's exactly what happened to John D. Hunter in the early 2000s and early 2003. Hunter was a neuroscience PhD student who worked with electrocardiography data, which is electrical activity recorded directly from the brain's surface. The existing Python plotting tools didn't quite meet his needs, and he looked around for options. At that time, MATLAB was the go-to software for scientists and engineers to create plots and visualize data. MATLAB offered a simple, powerful way to make graphs, but it was a commercial product. That meant it cost money, and its proprietary nature limited how freely it could be used or modified. Hunter wanted something similar in Python, which is open source and flexible. He aimed to develop a plotting library that mimicked MATLAB's style but was built entirely in Python. This way, users could enjoy the familiar commands and style of MATLAB but with the freedom and versatility of Python. The name Matplotlib was chosen to reflect this goal, combining mat from MATLAB and plot to show its purpose. Initially, Hunter released it as a patch for IPython, which was an interactive shell for Python, making it easier for users to generate plots on the fly. But it didn't stay just a small add-on. It grew quickly into a standalone library that anyone could use. The design philosophy behind Matplotlib was all about simplicity. You could create common plots with just a few lines of code, similar to MATLAB's easy-to-use commands. It offered both a procedural interface, called Pylab, which was very similar to MATLAB, and an object-oriented interface that fit better with Python's programming style. The Pylab interface made it especially appealing to MATLAB users because they could write their plotting code without worrying about importing many modules. Over time, Matplotlib expanded beyond its MATLAB-inspired roots. It became a powerful, flexible tool that integrates well with other Python libraries like NumPy, which handles numerical data. It supports many output formats and graphical backends, making it suitable for scientific research, education, and data analysis. Knowing how Matplotlib started helps us understand why its interface looks and feels the way it does. It was designed to be familiar for those coming from MATLAB, but also to fit into the Python ecosystem. It acts as a bridge for users transitioning from MATLAB to Python for data visualization and analysis. Today, it remains one of the most popular plotting libraries in Python, helping millions of users turn data into clear, visual stories.